Today, we are going to show something different from the usual content. That is, how to grow microgreens along with a cute DIY pot. Why this DIY? Because we are going to grow our microgreens in these cute pots. Lot of you might have heard about the microgreens and their health benefits. For those of you who don't know, I'll talk about them a little later. For now, let's get going with making the pots with a few easily available things. We would need sandpaper, coconut shells, brush, paint, couple of cotton earbuds and some pegs. First, take the sandpaper and smooth out the shells inside and out. Get rid of any extra dirt using a brush. Now paint the outer surface with the color and design of your choice. Here I chose white and blue colors to make some polka dot pattern using the earbuds. We all know that a coconut shell has 3 holes on one of the ends. Here, I just pierced a little more into these holes to insert the pegs and make them stand. Now take a fistful of soil and distribute among the 3 pots. We are going to grow 3 different kinds of microgreens. Now, let's take our seeds and scatter them evenly over the surface. Spread the seeds generously. Since microgreens are tiny plants, they tend to support each other as a dense bunch. Also, you get more harvest in less space. Cover the seeds with some more soil and spray some water over it. Use a sprayer to do this or make one like mine by just punching some holes to the lid of a small bottle using a hot needle or a safety pin. Here is a quick tip. Soak the seeds before sowing for 1 or 2 days, changing the water regularly. This will reduce the seed germination time to almost half. The seeds I used here are wheat, mustard and radish. First, let's talk about the wheatgrass. This grass takes about 7 days to grow and the sign to harvest is not the height but when you see the jointing. Means when you see the second leaf coming out of it. When you see the jointing, it's ready to get into the blender. Just clip it with scissors right above the soil. Wash it and blend it with some water. Drink it as a medicinal shot. While it doesn't taste that great, it is considered one of the superfoods. It helps with digestion, enhances metabolism, lowers glycemic index of food, maintains blood sugar levels in diabetic patients and has many more health benefits. Give it a try and see it yourself. Next on the list are mustard microgreens. These are super easy to grow as well and the seeds are from your kitchen. These take around 8 to 9 days to harvest and are packed with protein, fiber and several vitamins. With that spicy mustard flavor, this can be a great complement to any salad or sandwich. Last but definitely not the least are our radish microgreens. They are easiest and quickest to grow. Harvest them once they grow up to 2 to 3 inches from the soil. They are abundant in vitamins like B3, B6, C, K, E and the list goes on and on. Not only this, they add a ton of flavor and crunch to your recipes. Again, These are beautiful shoots that are tasty and healthy when added to salads or sandwiches. Check out our recipe with these microgreens on our Instagram. You can find the link in the description box below. Small precaution before I end the video. Since these are baby plants, do not keep them under direct sunlight. Keep them in the kitchen, near windows, or wherever you get just enough sunlight and a lot of shade most of the day. Also, do not overwater. Only sprinkle water when the soil is dry. If you have any other questions during the process, ask us in the comment section below. See you next Thursday with another healthy video. Bye bye.